Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys 3 cryptocurrencies that I would buy right now. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. So right now, the crypto market is performing well. We are Friday, August 22nd of 2025. So if we take a look on CoinMarketCap, we can see that we're roughly 4.04 trillion in market cap. So also previously, I just did 2 new videos. So this should be episode 812. I did a video giving you my Bitcoin price prediction. So if you want to know what that is, it will be in that episode. I also did an Ethereum and Cardano market update video, if you will. So an alt season video. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. That's really going to help us out. So right now, if I could rearrange my portfolio and just to keep things fun on the channel, what I'm going to do right here is share with you my current holdings. So no specifics, but guys, my top 3 holdings, that's not what this video is, but my top 3 holdings is Cardano, Bitcoin, cornucopias, and then it is, what is that? It's Cosmos, and then XRP. So that is what I've been holding on to. So if I could move things around, if I could do something differently, I definitely would. And if I were just buying right now, these are 3 cryptos that I would buy. So looking at the chart of my investing, I've been doing well overall. I'm back to kind of where I was at, the peak of 2024 when I had a crypto do well. I did not take profits. I'm already back because I'm a long-term macro investor and an absolute savage. Let's just be honest. Comment down below if you agree or not. But the moose is loose, baby. So one thing I would do is I would be, if I could redo it again, I would probably focus on these 3 cryptos. So what are these cryptos? And one, of course, I already have. Let's just get out of the way. Let's talk about Cardano. So I do not have enough Cardano. I feel like I have a lot. I'm positioned well. But I do not have a lot of Cardano. And when I talk about Cardano, guys, we're seeing it right now. Ethereum is heading towards 5,000 USD. Cardano's only at 93 cents. It's peaked up just today. What's it up? 10% today? Like, you're seeing this big jump. So 82 cents, that would have been a great time to buy. I still think it's a great time to buy. You are potentially going to see a 10x with this. Reason being is because if you watch my previous video, I give you guys, where I think Bitcoin's going. But Bitcoin is going to go to new all-time highs. That's what I believe. We have not hit the maximum bubble or even FOMO range yet. And if we do, we're above $250,000 in Bitcoin. When that happens, Ethereum is going to be around $8,000, $9,000, $10,000. And then Cardano is going to catch a lot of that liquidity. Midnight, those tokens will be allocated soon, even though a lot of us cannot claim it, which I may do a video on. Anyways, that's a whole thing. But guys, smart contracts wasn't around last time. Bitcoin peaked. It wasn't even close to where it is today. And Cardano got to almost $3. So Cardano has a 10x in it. And it is a high market cap, mid cap project. And if I had known what I know today, I would have bought even more at the lows. And I'd be buying some now. So that's my number 1 pick. It would be Cardano. Now, I want to get into one other one here. And I think people are sleeping on Polkadot. Polkadot, if you don't know, the creator of Polkadot, Gavin Wood, he was also an Ethereum co-founder. Same with Charles, who developed Cardano. And the reason I like Polkadot, let's look on the year. It's down 10% on the year, guys. But I don't think it's going to go any lower than 336. It's not going to go back to that, especially not now. these are opportunities when things are down and out like this, but they have a solid website, solid use case, parachains in this case. This project's been around for a while. You're most likely going to see things like this go up. I have 0 Polkadot. If anything, I might have like 0.004 Polkadot. I have no idea. One of my wallets. I don't know. Projects like Dot could perform very well. People will get bored holding on to Bitcoin, Ethereum, even people getting into Cardano. They might be like, what's going to be next? This could be it. This very well could be it. Polkadot, it's been around for a while. It's got a lot of fundamentals. I mean, you guys let me know what you think, but look at this. Like, the people are still talking about it. They're still talking about it, right? So it's not a bad blockchain. And again, I mean, people are buying Yeezy. Like, Kanye dropped a token. It went to billions of market cap. You're going to see something. You're going to see like projects, layer ones and parachains and things like that do well. I think Polkadot, sitting where it is right now, I think it is massively undervalued. You know, you could even throw in something like a Uniswap there. Aave, which has been performing well, it's probably going to go much higher. Kronos. I mean, I'm giving you guys extra picks here. Instead of Polkadot, here's another great play. Kronos. Right? Crypto Crow. Or not Crypto Crow. Jeez. Crypto.com. Their token. Right? CRO. When people are buying crypto, they're going to find a place with the least amount of friction. They're going to buy through crypto.com. They're going to pick an app. This project's crushing right now. On the year, up 77%. So it was 8 cents not that long ago. You're going to see this get back to all-time highs. For sure. What is the all-time highs on this? 64 cents? I mean, that was like really, nitpicking. Let's say 50 cents, just to give it something safe. This is going to do very well. More people are getting involved in crypto. Okay. So my final one, and I want to give you guys a pick. By the way, I have very little of these tokens. I could have bought more, should have bought more, didn't buy more. We're going to talk about Nuvola Digital, NVL, which I realized pumped quite a bit today. I was like, oh, how's NVL doing? It's broken out of a bearish pattern. Okay. So here we got the falling wedge. Boom. Starting to break out. Why? Well, guys, market cap. This is an opportunity. The other projects, sure, they could 10x, 15, 20, whatever it may be. Nuvola Digital is something new. So what I like about this project, basically what they do, they are, I haven't explained this in a while, but Nuvola Digital, they are a DPIN aggregator, right? So what is it? Decentralized, I'm going to butcher it. Decentralized infrastructure, something. Anyways, what they do is they buy and run nodes. And instead of you doing that yourself, what you can do is just buy the NVL token, support their project. They take the money and then they set up nodes. They run them efficiently. And then you make a yield on it. Okay, so it's a DPIN aggregator. So if you want to get exposure to mining rewards, I know they're picking up. And by the way, I believe they're going to be on other chains. I'd like to have Raul on again. But guys, sitting at a $17 million market cap, that's very low. You have projects like Iagon that are much higher in more. So, finding something with the pretty good, I mean, what's their total supply? Yeah, 21 million like Bitcoin, right? Projects like these could do a 50, 100x. Okay, so that's what's possible for something like this. So if you're looking for a DPIN play, which I like, you just buy the token depending on the tokens you hold. You can stake and you earn rewards based on what they're performing and how they're doing. So they're also going to run things more efficiently than you or I ever will. But those are my tokens. Those are 3 that if I could restructure things, I would be heavy into these 3. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are in ADA, delegate to the Hedge Stake Pool. Follow the link if you guys want. Enter our ADA 1K giveaway. So follow the steps. All you have to do is, look up on screen, follow these steps, and you could potentially win 1,000 ADA. So we're doing that for the 1,000th block. We're giving away 1,000 ADA. So that's the hedge stake pool. And, we're trying to get a bunch of people in there. You might as well, right? It's free. You delegate. You pay a transaction cost, and you start earning rewards. You start earning within 2 epochs. On top of that, use code Moose, guys. I talk about it all the time. Save 10% off a hardware wallet. You guys need a Tangem. Pick up something like a BitKey, a Trezor, Ledger. I have links for everything. So whatever you guys want, right? If you guys don't want to deal with the seed phrase, pick up a BitKey. I love all these wallets. I use them all. In fact, I got a Ledger Flex I still have to review. I've already done an unboxing. They keep sending me more stuff. But anyways, that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Comment down below, what are your top 3 cryptos that you would be buying right now in 2025? So cheers.